Panj Peer Mazar, Samana. Samana is a city and a municipal council in Patiala district in the Indian state of Punjab. It is located on State Highway SH10 between Patiala and Patran. It traces its history to the days of Raja Jaipal, who ruled over, among others, the territories of Bhatinda and Samana. It fell into the hands of Shahabud-Din Muhammad Gauri after the conquest of Ajmer and Delhi, and was entrusted to Qutb alDin Aibak in 1192, along with the territories of Ghuram and Sunam. Panj Peer Mazar. It is a major pilgrimage center for Shia Muslims. Syed Mashhad Ali was buried here about 1,200 years ago. According to scholars of Muslim history, the discovery of the Mazar is significant in that there is no Mazar of any Imam in South Asia.Hazrat. Imam Ali al-Ridha alias Salaam had 5 sons. Imam Muhammad Taqi al-Jawad alias Salaam, Syed Ali Rahmatullah alayh, Syed Jafar Rahmatullah alayh, Syed Hassan Rahmatullah alayh, and Syed Hussain Rahmatullah alayh, and a daughter, Fatima Rahmatullah alayh. Hazrat Syed Ali Rahmatullah alayh was respectfully called by many nicknames: Imam Mashad Ali, Imam Mashad Ali Wali, Imam Ali Wali, Imam Sahib and Panj Peer. He was the 8th descendant in line from Holy Prophet, be peace upon him, and 7th from Hazrat Ali alayhi salam. The Abbasid replaced the Umayyads' 90-year tyrannical rule in the year 750, corresponding to 132 Hijri. During the period 150 to 260 Hijri, they deported 4 Imams from Medina to Iraq and detained in prison until their death. Khalifa Mutawakkil, in his rancor against Imam Ali alayhi salam, razed to ground the mausoleum of martyr Imam Hussain alayhi salam and had a watercourse turned over it. The last 30 years were most tragic and terrible for the descendants of Holy Prophet. Most of them who could escape sought refuge in West Africa and Hindustan. Sometimes around 240 Hijri, Syed Ali Rahmatullah alayh escaped with his brother and about 1,000 kin and followers from the tyrannical Pule of the Caliph and landed at the north of the river Gaga in Haryana, probably by the year 300 Hijri. They felt secured and prudently named the settlement Samana on the name of Sayyida Samana Khatun, wife of the 9th Imam Muhammad Taqi al-Jawad, as to do so on the name of an Imam or a prominent male member of the progeny of Holy Prophet would have been inviting the wrath of the powerful ruler of the world. Gradually Samana grew up an important center of the teachings of Ali Muhammad. Mahmud Ghaznavi annexed Punjab to his empire in 1010 and granted the fief of Samana to his mentor Syed Abul Farawasti and fiefs of Chut and Kalanur around Samana to his sons. Shahabud-Din Gauri conquered India in 1192 and granted the fief of Samana to his Piro Murshid Syed Nuruddin Mubarak, 15th in line of the first Imam Hazrat Ali alayhi salam. It is reported in some journals that he built a tomb at the monument of Syed Ali Rahmatullah alayh. The present building structure was rebuilt by Ajmer Khan during King Akbar's reign in 1560. Ishtiaq Ali Zaidi, accompanied by his wife, came after 43 years to see the motherland in 1991. He compiled and published the genealogical history of his family in 2000. Therein he discussed the prevailing socio-religious conditions as well as Eidgahs, Imam Bardars, and shrines of Imam Mashad Ali Rahmatullah alayh. It was a discovery to many of the Indians, so much so Maulana Syed Kalb Jawad Sahib of Lucknow held a press conference at Samana on 25 May 2005 and announced the discovery of the shrines of Imam Mashad Ali Rahmatullah alayh. He and the multitude inspected the illegible inscription on headstone was found as Ishtiaq Ali had written in his book. Indo-Pak Alabate Ijtima was held under the chairmanship of His Excellency Drive. Abdul Khalik Kidwai, Governor of Haryana, at the shrines on 29th and 30th of November 2005. His Excellency Syed Sibthe Razik, Governor of Jharkhand, was the main speaker. The Punjab government invited Ishtiaq Ali Zaidi from London as a guest of honour to shed light on Hazrat Imam Sahib. He publicly confirmed that until migration, Imam Mashhad Ali Rahmatullah Ali was known beyond any doubt as a son of 8th Imam Hazrat Ali al-Raza Alaehas Salam. His shrine was popularly visited by the masses. So much so, his mother, before leaving home for Pakistan, accompanied by her sons Nisar 18 and Ishtiaq 14 years of age, fearlessly walked for a mile through dangerously deserted streets to pay farewell homage to Imam Sahib at dawn on the 30th of November 1947.
YouTube.com के लिए महाकवि मिर्जा जमाल की पेशकश।